Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well guys, there was a speculation that from 1st March there would be one module retake of Ielts, and Ielts candidates would be able to retake one single module or single module where they got less bench score and all that stuff. There was a lot of fuss about it and many people made videos about that as well. But as far as official announcement is concerned, there wasn't any official announcement. Yes, there were some posts about it, but these posts were neither from IDP nor from British Council. So now this is March, like today it's 11th of March already, but there is no availability of one module retake or single module retake. Now I don't know about the future, but until now, until this point, there hasn't been any official announcement whether they are going to offer single module retake or they're not going to offer, that there isn't anything about that. One of my students called local IDP here in Lahore, and IDP people, they said, well, we don't know anything about it. It's a sort of a rumor or anything, but we don't have any official instructions about it. So at this point, it's hard to say that they're going to launch one module retake in the future or not, but there isn't any official announcement. But if there will be any official announcement, I'll be the first one to let you know about that. So now, some students, like before appearing in IELTS exam, some students, they text me, and in my IELTS class, this is my IELTS master class, before appearing IELTS exam, they ask me, sir, will we be able to appear in single module after this? I mean, why you are preparing yourself in a way, like you are preparing yourselves in a way that you will go for one module retake and all that. So if they're going to offer single module retake, that is going to be within 20 days or 21 days of your actual IELTS exam. And it's going to be a one-time thing only, but there isn't anything official about it. So that's why I think it's better to be quiet about it. But if they offer this thing, obviously I'll let you know about that. All the best, guys. Thank you so much. I also teach IELTS and PTE online and on campus in Lahore, online all over the world. If you wish to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS or PTE classes, masterclass, actually my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.